Hello folks, today I will tell you one trick. With that you can easily check the code, check any file. So currently what you do here, you just go to the files. But there is one more way. With that you can easily check the code. So it will open that code in the VS Code. So let me open. So for this, what you need to do, you need to just edit the URL of GitHub. You just need to write 1s and click enter. Then it will open the code in the VS Code. That will helpful. Means you can easily check your code on these files. You can easily search whatever file you want. So all those things will work here. So with that you can easily check the code. So thanks guys for watching. Do like, subscribe the channel for more of these interesting tricks.